Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll make powerful anti-aging and firming face masks using one key ingredient, coffee. It smooths wrinkles, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a fresh, glowing look. First recipe, nourishing and smoothing. 1 teaspoon of oat flour, 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee, half a teaspoon of honey, mix well. Benefits: this mask gently exfoliates, hydrates, and nourishes tired, dry skin. How to use: apply the mixture evenly to your clean face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for smoother, softer skin. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty recipes that truly work. Second recipe, lifting and brightening. Ingredients: a small piece of banana mashed, one teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. Mix until smooth. Benefits: this mask firms, hydrates, and gives your skin an instant glow. How to use: apply a generous layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Use regularly to keep skin toned and fresh. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, firming and pore tightening. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of freshly brewed coffee. Mix well. Benefits: this mask gently tightens the skin and reduces the appearance of large pores. How to use: apply a thin layer to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then cool. Use 2 times a week. If you like this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, brightening and soothing. 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. Mix well. Benefits: this mask helps fade dark spots, brightens dull skin, and softens texture. How to use: apply to your clean face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural anti-aging secrets. Fifth recipe, tightening and lifting. Ingredients: half a teaspoon of gelatin powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. Mix well. Benefits: firms the skin and gives a natural lifting effect. How to use: apply while the mixture is slightly warm. Spread it on your face and neck using a brush. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then gently peel or rinse. Use once or twice a week for best results. 6th recipe: anti-inflammatory and radiance boosting. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, mix well. Benefits: reduces redness, brightens the skin, and gently exfoliates. How to use: apply evenly to the face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 7th recipe: hydrating and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil, one teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. Mix well. Benefits: deeply moisturizes, softens skin, and helps smooth fine lines. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, and décolleté. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light face cream. Use regularly for long-lasting hydration. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.